Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to make the professional admin panel using AI. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to open up my VS Code editor. Okay, first we have to go to my D drive and I'm going to do the new project and make it as this one as a students school management system. School management. Here I'm going to open up the new window, codebase.2, open the project in VS Code editor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the new project. So I'm going to select this one, click it, index.html. Here what I'm going to do, here I went to the ChatGPT. Here you can see act as a HTML CSS JavaScript developer. You can open the new chat and type this one. Okay, so if I type it take too much of time to complete the project, that's why I already type it. So you can see here, so if you press enter, it will be display the some output look like this. After that you have tried it. Here I need the admin panel using the HTML CSS and Tailwind CSS. So complete and effective, very effective mean it's a very effective codes include the following models. What are the modules we have to include to in order to complete the system? We have a relevant modules. What are the modules we include in the admin panel? Student, teacher, enrollment, payment, and dashboard report. So these are the modules we have to include. Then complete the system. So these are the following modules we have to include. At press enter key. This code has been generated. You can see here. Okay, this is simple code. It generated. Now you can see the dashboard here. They have all the what are the things we expected. All the expected result will be displayed. So I just copy it back to my project index.html. You paste on it. This is a code. Okay, the simple code. Now let's save all. I'm going to run and check. Here, it's working. So after that, if you want another page, I want to tell them, you can see that tell them I need a student. I need to develop I need the design of the student page. Include student number, name, address, phone, email. This one copy it. I'm going to go to, yeah, I'm going to paste, you can write pages, you can write student. Don't HTML. Paste this one following one. Now let's go and check it. How the page of student. Here. Now you can see the complete simple here admin panel. It's a responsive. Now you'll be able to add the student record on as well. So these are things we have the icon and everything we have manually we have changed it. Okay, so simple one you have created the dashboard as well as the student. So this one we can give the link as well. student. When you click the student page, you have to provide it where the it's resided inside the pages folder. So you tell them pages folder, inside the pages folder student.html. Okay, save them and go back to our project. This is a project. Then click on it. It successfully goes to that page. Okay, it successfully goes to that page. Okay, simple. We have to do the things. Okay, the teacher also the same thing. We have to do the teacher's page as well. So that the simple one. Okay, so this how we have to the implement the admin panel using AI. It's very simple. Okay, what are the modules you have to tell them it has been created. Okay, that is the thing we have to do it. So here this is a student model. So if you have to do any adjustment of them, so that page copy inside the paste it over here. So here this one I'm going to make it as a student one. You have to make second one is a student. This page I'm get this div tag, all div tag what I did it copy it. Back to my student page. Here this dashboard keep as it is. So here inside here is the main content. This main content, this dashboard we need them the inside the dashboard. Instead of this dashboard, I need my form. Okay, so I want to paste them. Okay, so we have to paste them and control S to save. And now let's check how it works. Here it's working successfully. Okay, now you can see that dashboard. Now you can see when you go to open the student account here, now it's working successfully here. So the same thing you have to do the teacher as well. It is the same thing we have to do the teacher as well. So you tell them the AI tool, the student here how it sees cities. Copy it. I want to tell them I am going to do the teacher module include teacher ID, sorry, teacher number. Okay, teacher, what are the things included? Okay, teacher ID is we have put it as a auto increment one. Teacher name, comma, teacher address, phone number, and email. Okay, so we have put this code need to be change of this following code. I'm going to do the teacher module include teacher name, address, phone number. Need to change of the following codes. Okay, you can do like this way. Otherwise, simple way is I teach it simply rather than you have to doing like lot of students are doing like this. This is not a good way. Simply you already did this page, so that then you will be simple way is teacher dot html. You have to get the copy of the same page. On the things the student copy this based on your teaching. On the things you have to change these are the things as a teachers. Add teacher. This is simple. Okay, you already create one page. Why are you again you have to tell the get the help from AI. Okay, simply rather than you get the help from AI, you get the same modules. Okay, here everything is the same thing. Only the things are different. This is the here you have to change this as a student input ID. Here we have to make that teacher, teacher, teacher like this. Only thing. Okay, so now we have to bring the we have to give the link, the teacher page or the index page. We have to give the link as well. Control is to save. Bring back to the application. Student. What happened? Student page. Why? What's it? Save all. Okay. Save all. Keep it open at. This open. Click student. It's working. Teacher. Teacher also I didn't give the link. I think that's why it won't work. I already gave the link. Why it's not working? Teacher dot index student. It's working. Teachers, why it's not a problem? So click on it. Teachers, it's not going. Why? What's the problem? Addition per dashboard. I will complete successfully. Why it's not working? That's the problem. Okay, that is not a problem. So that a simple mistake. Okay, let's check it. That page is working. Now the page is working, but the problem is that thing is that student. The problem is that what happened to the module we have created. So let's all things are same again. We have to check it, but there is no problem at all. Why it's not working? That is the problem. Now it's working. Okay, I think some problem. So now it's working. Okay, teacher model is working. Okay, so this we are doing the here you have to instead of the button add student you have to change it as a teacher. Okay, I'll go to the course section. You will be able to change it. Okay, teacher module you have to change the teacher student as a, you can make it as teacher this one. Okay, so here button also you can change it as a add teacher. Okay, this how you make the admin panel using AI. Thank you for watching.